sky's a heavy blanket, dark and gray. Been a drought for weeks, we need a rainy day. Fields are parched, the riverbeds run low, but I see hope in the clouds as raindrops start to show. The sound of thunder rolling through the night brings a smile to my face. Everything will be alright. Tiny beads of water falling from the sky quench the thirsty earth below. Watch the dry land sigh. Oh, field of raindrops dancing in the breeze, bringing life to every leaf, setting spirits free. Water for the cattle, for the crops we sow. In the field of raindrops, watch the world regrow. Morning light comes softly, birds begin to sing. With every drop that fell last night comes the promise of spring. Wildflowers bloom, colors start to spread as the first light warms the land and life lifts its head. Listen to the meadow, hear the song of life. Every little creature waking up inside, from the smallest sparrow to the wild deer, mating songs and chirping calls. It's all music to my ears. Oh, field of raindrops leading through the core, bringing love to all around. Hearts no longer warm. Water for the horses, for the seeds we now sow. In the field of raindrops, watch the world regrow. Raindrops weaving through the core, bringing love to all around. Hearts no longer worn. Water for the horses, for the seeds we now sow. In the field of raindrops,